Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में देविया सज्जनों अब वक्त है आज के सबसे भारी भरकम मुकाबले का यानी मेंस 125 125 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले में हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं यूक्रेन मूल के Alexander Khotsianivsky. Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में इस 125 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के सतिंदर मलिक।
Khotsianivsky Alexander, Haryana Hammers is represented by this 28-year-old mean machine who is very tall and very heavy. We can't say very heavy because we know he's 125 kilogram category.
Yeah.
Satinder Malik representing Delhi Sultans, 26-year-old. He has been the 2017 National Championship bronze medal winner. So here we have to see what happens on this very bout. Khotsianivsky was a charger actually in the past when I've seen him in his last bout. Haryana Hammers did it.
Okay.
Look at him.
He's a mean machine, as you called him right. Again, this year has been fantastic for him in the past 12 months. He won the Yasser Dagu tournament in Istanbul, Turkey. And again, the Ukrainian tournament.
Alexander looks way bigger, and the way we get to see that Satinder Singh is trying to go close, but he's just easily pushing away. It does not look like Satinder Singh is Satinder is like 125 kilos. He doesn't even look like.
Well, looks are deceptive, but yes, Alexander has far more advantage in terms of age, height. He looks like a sculpted big giant out there in the orange Hammers t-shirt. But I must tell you, last year, you remember Gino Petrishvili?
Yes.
The undefeated, much decorated guy?
Yes.
Alexandria took him down at the Ukrainian tournament, defeating Geno in Georgia. So again, this guy, if Geno was brilliant, this guy is a shade better than the brilliant guy we had in 125K category.
Okay, so right now we see that there has been a little bit of advantage. This is truly the reach and the height advantage that we were talking about. And that happens right now. But they still have to open an account. Though there it goes. There you go. Alexander has done it. He's drawn the first blood and gotten a 2-point lead as of now. There you see the action replay. He just goes in for those legs, and there you go. Like a sack of flour, Satinder falls down.
Yes, it was the best way that he could have done. He only gave 2 points. I think you could to give it to Satinder from Rohtak, the same village as Sakshi.
And of course, he has to get into that defensive mode. Satinder either should attack or get it totally passive, in a defensive mode rather than being passive. Passive is, ladies and gentlemen, slightly different, but you're wasting your time. But when you're defensive, that means you're defending anybody else from making points out of you. And right now,
red zone,
trying to push Satinder out of the playing area. That big, broad yellow circle on which the referee was standing just a few seconds ago.
Activity period start.
The push out didn't happen, and that was the reason why Sumit is back into the ring without conceding a point. Again, very crucial match for both teams. We really don't know what's the game action and the plan that Satinder has. Although not the official original choice in the draft, he came in as a replacement for Sumit Malik. They wrestle in the same Chhatrasal Akhada with Sushil Pehlwan, and Let's see what he does, what he's got in store for the big, mean machine in the orange singlet.
Alexander looks very comfortable. I don't think he's showing any eagerness or restlessness of getting towards the winning side of the fence. He's just hanging on the fence. We're just watching Satinder. And as of now, ladies and gentlemen, Delhi Sultans needs to open an account for themselves, and he has been gracious enough to run us through the few technicalities and of course some colored moments of information that he's been giving us right now. Satinder and Alexander neck on neck. Alexander from Haryana Hammers has a 3-point lead. And do you think it's easy for Satinder to actually penetrate through the defense line of Alexander?
Well, looking at the statistics, I think it'll be a big victory for Satinder if he manages to hold on for 6 minutes, because Alexander is a mean machine, as we said, and he'll have to do something really well, Satinder, to win not even a single point. I think it's a foregone. Winning is a foregone conclusion for Haryana Hammers.
Well, right now, Satinder trying to attack, but then again, even then, no panic on Haryana Hammers Alexander, because he looks very relaxed and easy on the mat.
In fact, that's the sign of an experienced player. He knows that even if he gets 10 seconds, he can still make those 2, 3, 4 points.
But then again, I think he's only 24 years old.
Yes, he is. But, you know, the good part is that the Russian wrestlers, they peak up pretty early in age. You know, they start peaking from the 19th point. Look at the crowd roar.
Yes, of course, right now, again, taking some advantage out of the experience that he has, even at a very weak age or young age of 24 years. He is up at a 5 points lead. Satinder was just taken down, just matter-of-factly.
Yes. Satinder has to now start attacking if he has to make any impact on this bout. He's just evading the big man and just hoping that he would give some point. But I think unless he attacks, he won't get that point.
Now, the wonders of this kind of freestyle wrestling is you have to go into your opponent. But then again, standing tall, there is Khotsianivsky, who is much taller. And here is where that difference shows.
Yes.
It did not show in the earlier bouts when we were discussing about height and the reach. But right now, Satinder in a problem. Mr. Malik needs to do something.
Oh, there goes the rough game. You would see some slaps exchanged. But at the same time, that's the part of it. You know, that's what
Under 1 minute of game remaining, and this second bout, we have to see Haryana Hammers is very comfortable, and it's reducing, and the countdown is on. And right now we can see that Khotsianivsky, that was like his thumb was on the way of Khotsianivsky's eyes.
Yes.
So Alexander is not complaining of that because no harm done. But you could see on the camera that it was intentional. And one more time, it's a takedown. I think there's going to be an alligator roll. No, not happened. But yes, one thing is for sure. There are some happy faces in the crowd. There you have it. There he attacks. That's a takedown. And now wants to take it further as a roll, but
Look
then
at this.
Went on defensive. Oh, one more time. It was this time the attack initiated by Jitender.
Contact.
And right now, looks like Haryana Hammers has done it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the corner and the father of one of those happy faces, Shri Budramji. You know, I mean, there, Bhupinder and of course, was happy, and Goldie ji. But the more aggression in terms of celebration was the father of Bhupinder ji.
That was a classic celebration, you know, it came straight from the heart, right from Dwarka.
मत ले पंगा।